Okay, hi, welcome again. So in this video, we are going to look at the coefficient of determination, R square. So the notation for coefficient of determination is R power of 2, R square. So it is the ratio of the explained variation to the total variation. So R square is the ratio. Okay, so before this, you learned about regression line. So for simple regression line of y on x, the coefficient of determination is the square of the correlation coefficient. Okay, so the coefficient of determination R square is explained variation over total variation because it is the ratio of these two, and it is actually the square of correlation value. So R power of 2. So the term R square is expressed as percentage. So for example, the R square value is 0.828 because R square is normally expressed in percentage. So 0.828 means 82.8% of the total variation in Y can be explained by the regression line using the independent variable X. Okay. So what happened for another 17.2%? So the 17.2% can be explained by other factors or other variables. Let's try this example. Actually, this is the same example from the previous video. Okay, so question A, find the product moment correlation coefficient. So what is product moment correlation coefficient? It is the value of R. Okay, and from the value of R, so question B, find the coefficient of determination and explain the result. So this is our dependent variable X, this is our independent variable Y. So question A, you must find the correlation coefficient R. So our formula is this. Okay, this is the value of R, Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient. As usual, in this formula, you need the value of total xy, total x, total y, total x square, and total y square. So you can retrieve all of these 5 values in your calculator. Okay, using your scientific calculator, you can get these 5 values. Okay. So because this is the same example as the previous video, so I just copy from this one here. Okay, next step, plug in the 5 values into the formula of R. So n is 10, right? So n 10 times 4468 minus 146 times 295 divided by square root of 10 times with 2224 minus 146 square times with 10 multiply with total y square is 8993 minus 295 square. Okay. Right, so the final answer for R is 0.9827. Okay, so from this R value, we can conclude that there is a strong positive linear relationship between the X and Y variable, between the quantity and also cost of production. Okay, next step is to find the coefficient of determination for question B. Okay, so question B, the coefficient of determination is R square and the formula is just R power of 2 Okay, you square the value of the correlation coefficient. Okay, so 0.9827 square. Okay, so the value of R square is 0.9657. So this is the value of coefficient of determination. Okay, so now you must explain your answer. Okay, explain the result, explain the value of the coefficient of determinations. So this 0.9657 means 96.57% because R square is normally expressed in percentage. So you must multiply with 100. So 96.57%. What can you explain about this percentage here? Okay, this means 96.57% of the total variation for production cost can be explained using the production quantity. That's the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this video. And please try the exercises from your textbook. Thank you.